Unong yalam ka seng Voice of the People's Party, Baderu UMLE na nongkrem constituency uba Ardent mela Basaiawmoit haka arpau terek ulaber ulakno baki jingkran jong ulat dakaktian Hindi haka sngi beningkong jong dorbar mang tingka kalongkum ka jing bamburam yaki Paidbah ka Jylla Meghalaya. Haba keren kilat pathai kubor hadian ka jingmi jindat naga dorbar hashwa ban keren sa ulam pang ka yeng dorbar tawan u Thomas sangma dakaktian Hindi uba Basaiawmoit ula ong bakat kum kikendon ka jingkran Kidei banlong haka katian pareng namar ka Jylla Meghalaya kadei ka Jylla bam keren ya katian Hindi.
We are not a Hindi-speaking state, so we are not expected the government of India to send the Hindi-speaking governors to us because we cannot communicate. It is an insult to us. And let us not forget that the toil and sweat of the people and the leaders of the state for our statehood is due to the imposition on the part of the Assam government, the attempt on the part of the government to impose Assamese as an official language. That was the main reason that made the people and the leaders to fight for the statehood. We've got a state on our own because of that issue.
Haba penpau baka jingalang kamdei ban ailat yakum kani ka jing tmu ban penrung na Delhi unong yalam ka seng VPP uloong.
It may be a translated, but the rule says clearly that it cannot be transacted. No, we don't understand. Then if they feel that a translated version has been given, then what is the point of addressing? Tell him not to come. They have already separated the address in English. What is the point of addressing? We are talking about, the addressing. He should address the language. We understand. We should not allow this. Which is why we walk out, because we don't want to be part of that proceeding. We want that this tradition should be stopped, should not be allowed to continue. We don't want this kind of tradition where governor address will be addressed in Hindi. At least respect us the majority, no?